All right, so today we'll be talking about guitartricks.com. Really cool website for learning guitar, great for beginners, great for advanced players, all kinds of different styles of music. A lot of really cool stuff inside. I'm just gonna do a brief overview. There is a coupon code down in the video description below as well if you want to check that out. And there's a 60-day trial too, so it's a no-brainer to check it out. Is it all worth it? Check it out for yourself. Let's just go into the video, show you what's inside, and let's talk about this. Let's go. All right, so here we are on guitartricks.com. And there's just a wealth of information in here for any level. If you're a beginner, you want to start with the beginning lessons, obviously. Then we have more experienced lessons. There's learning to play songs, learn styles of guitar. Over here we have our favorites, a history, songs, channel. There's a forum on here as well. And there's a help section over here if you need help with anything. And let's take a look at some of this stuff here. Now the lessons are broken down, like I said, beginner lessons, pages like this. You start here, you go into the fundamentals, and you can branch off into blues, country, rock, acoustic, level 1, and then there's level 2 as well. Once you get through there, you can go to the more advanced stuff, or if you're already experienced, you can start with the experienced stuff here, guitar, and then this part here. Then there's level 1, blues, country, rock, acoustic, and so on, level 2. And then there's all kind of other things here, techniques, style, practice, chords and scales, gear and tone, artist studio. So there's just really a lot in here. It's really in depth. Get the yearly thing. I think it would be the best way to do it. You save money, and you could use my coupon code as well. It's in the video description below. And you can do monthly as well, but you get a better deal when you do the yearly. And obviously, if you're learning how to play guitar, it's going to take more than a month or two. You want something that you're going to do for a long time here. So we also have the songs here too. Now they have these made easy videos. For example, the Beatles here. These are just acoustic versions of the songs you can learn really quickly with the chords and stuff like that. And they break it down with here's a chord chart, in other words.
The song starts off with the verse chord progression.
And then there's videos here as well that you can watch. You watch them at different speeds. You can slow them down, speed them up. Really well laid out. And here's like a cheat sheet, not a cheat sheet, but what do they call these? Fake book, I guess you call them. You know, A minor to F. You know, so pretty cool layout. These are the made easy versions, like I said. There's more in-depth stuff in here as well, of course. Here's the guitar styles. We got acoustic, funk and soul, country, metal, rock, world, surf. Let's say you want to go into the surf world, learn some surf stuff. Surf Guitar 101. Then you just begin your lesson. Then you have your progress over here. They have the instructors over here, depending on what style you want to learn. It's just, like I said, it's really in-depth. There's a lot going on in here, and the videos are really informative, and you just play, you know, you learn as you go, play along. You have your progress over here, your last lesson. You can save your favorites. And the forum again, there's a forum here as well. Introduce yourself, introduction forum, guitar basics, and so on and so forth. Go in here, talk about gear or whatever, tone and effects, all kind of really cool stuff.
So you want to play guitar, but you think to yourself, I could never do that. And you think learning is boring and dry. Here's the deal.
So this is like the Guitar Fundamentals Part 1. There's a new course here. There's an older course. You can watch both, which is kind of cool. And you just go through and you watch as you go. You learn, pick up your guitar, start playing, learning rhythm, playing melodies, riffs and power chords, recommended songs here and stuff like that. So it's very well laid out. It's really cool. Like I said, check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.